Was Mahabharata a nuclear war? The European researchers David Davenport and Ettore Vincenti did some groundwork in and around Mohenjo-daro. In one of their excavation sites, they found evidence that suggests that the ancient town may have been ruined by a powerful blast. They found big strata of clay and crystallized green glass fused or melted at its epicenter. Bricks around this epicenter were also melted on one side, characteristic of an explosion. Dr. J. Robert Oppenheimer, director of the Manhattan Project, the first nuclear test explosion, learned Sanskrit in 1933 and read the Bhagavad Gita in the original. Shortly after the Manhattan Project, Dr. Oppenheimer addressed the students of the Rochester University. Here, one of the students asked him a pointed question as to whether his experiment was the first nuclear explosion of the world. He responded thoughtfully as, well, yes, in modern times, of course. This cautious, measured response of Dr. Oppenheimer, which has been recorded for posterity, makes one wonder if he believed that in an earlier civilization there could have been a nuclear capability. By earlier quoting the Bhagavad Gita during the test explosion, was he perhaps pointing to the Indian civilization as having had that capability? This thought is further substantiated by the vivid descriptions of the Astra and their capabilities. The texts describe the special manner in which these Astra were invoked, the number, the colors, the shapes, the rapid speed of individual discharges from each Astra, the extent of destruction they had caused, as well as the awe in which they were held when compared to Shastra, weapons such as mace, sword, spears, bows and arrows, etc. that were handheld by soldiers. Very few seem to have had Astra. Notable amongst them, on the Pandava side, Arjuna had such Astra, and on the Kaurava side, Karna had them. Both Arjuna and Karna are described in the text as level-headed warriors with great willpower, patience, tolerance and sagacity. They had obtained these Astra only after great penance and austerities. All these make them appear to be special weapons of mass destruction beyond our comprehension today. If future researchers prove that it was a major war fought with all those advanced technologies, then it is indeed a wake-up call for all of us in this age of nuclear armaments to study and understand this war and draw lessons from it. The home of knowledge, wisdom and fine craftsmanship for thousands of years. This is amazing India.